Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to log in or create a new account for Diablo Immortal when you're playing mobile. So right now I'm in the login screen and here's my character, and you can see that I'm a guest now, so we will need to click on that, and that way we'll be able to create an account or log in. But for a moment I'm gonna show you the second option as well, so let's jump into the game. Enter the world. So if you're playing already and just want to log in, you'll need to click on the menu icon in the top right corner of the screen, then click for the options gear icon, move to the account, and here you can do the same thing. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.